Hi guys! Kauwi ko lang. So pagod. This is my second morning. Still sick, pero sobrang init. Grabe, sobrang init. Anyhow, I tried to sleep. Kaya lang, dami nagbabas sa Facebook. So, higa lang muna. I didn't have my dinner yet. Ano lang ako ngayon? Ulit. Ano ba yung ulit? Ayun, pinangat. Yung spaghetti ko from yesterday. Tofu spaghetti. Yeah, thank you. And shout out. Hi, Krisha. Thank you. Thank you sa comments sa video ko. Maraming salamat. And hope to see you pag umuwi na kami ng Pinas. I mean, pag nagbakasyon kami. Love to see you. Sana. Bye-bye. Mamaya na lang ulit, guys. Hi, guys. Spell haggardness. Tanan. Anyway, I will have to can't sleep. Kasi naman, hindi ko pa nare-remove yung makeup ko. And I'm gonna eat my dinner. As I've told you, pangat. Yeah. My tofu spaghetti and some crisp or chips with a toast bread and water. So, kain tayo, guys, while I do my edits. Yun lang. So, mamaya na lang ulit. Bye-bye. Hi guys, I just finished washing the dishes. Nakalimutan ko tanggalin yung makeup. Pero tingnan nyo, grabe oh. Super sweat na yung look ko. Pero hindi parang nalulusaw yung makeup foundation ko. By the way, ang ginamit ko dito yung L'Oreal Nude Tint something. Ganda pala niya. Oh. Kahit pawis-pawis ka na, hindi nalulusaw yung makeup mo. Anyway, if I will have time, I'll make a review on this foundation. Grabe, pwede. Sa tag-araw na lugar, kagaya dito. See, all sweaty, running. Yan, pawis na, grabe. Pero hindi siya parang natulusaw. Yeah, I will remove my makeup. See you in a bit, guys. Mamaya na lang ulit. Hi guys, nakatulog ako. Dumating na si Habi. We'll call it a night na. Good night. Bakit pala yan? Ito. Okay. While we watch this. Bye-bye. God bless everybody. We miss you, Munchkins.
Ano daw?